Hello friends, today we will talk about milk and garlic home remedy. Milk and garlic is a remedy for asthma, pneumonia, insomnia, heart issues, cough and more. Natural remedies, fruits, veggies and spices can sometimes be more effective than drugs and medicine, and they're a healthier alternative as well. One of these natural remedies is garlic milk, a potent drink that can help you with your cough, in case of arthritis, insomnia, tuberculosis and cardiovascular diseases. Preparing this remedy is super easy. You'll need 10 minced garlic cloves, 500 milliliters of milk, 2 to 3 teaspoons sugar, 250 milliliters of water. Preparation: mix the milk and water in a pot and add the minced garlic. Bring the mixture to a boil and reduce it to medium heat. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly. Strain the liquid and finally add the sugar. Consume the remedy while it's still hot. Health benefits of garlic milk. Arthritis. Consuming garlic milk on a regular basis will reduce the pain and symptoms of arthritis. Sciatica pain. This remedy will ease sciatica pain as well. Heart problems. Garlic milk will help you reduce your LDL cholesterol levels and prevent blood clots formation, thus promoting better cardiovascular health. Asthma. If you suffer from asthma, drink this garlic milk every night before you go to bed. It will relieve the symptoms. You can also consume 3 garlic cloves. Jaundice. Garlic is an excellent remedy for toxins elimination, and it also stimulates the production of good enzymes which improve your liver function. Garlic abounds in sulfur, selenium and allicin, which are all good for better liver function and have the ability to reduce liver fat by stimulating bile release. If you consume garlic milk for 5 consecutive days, you can effectively treat jaundice. Insomnia. This remedy is good for relaxation and will enable better sleep. Pneumonia. If you have pneumonia, you should consume garlic milk 3 times a day. Cough. For chronic cough, add some honey and turmeric to this remedy and you'll find instant relief. Lung tuberculosis. For tuberculosis, you should consume the remedy 3 times a day. Digestion. Garlic has powerful antiseptic properties which will strengthen your immune system and improve your digestion. The remedy is also beneficial for lymphatic system and whole body detox. It's effective for diarrhea and stimulate digestive juices release. Cholesterol. If you have high cholesterol levels, consume the remedy for a week and they'll drop significantly. If you have some other tips, please do share with other readers in our comments section. To stay up to date with my latest videos and amazing health tips, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Thanks for watching.